Hello and welcome back to another tutorial about 3ds Max. In this video we will be going through how to import, export and package a file so you can share it with other people through different sharing platforms. So how to import a file, we go to File, Import, and then if we click the first option here, we then a window is then brought up where you can click the type of files that you want to be able to import. So some of the most common ones are FBX files, what else have we got? DWG files, and Revit files and so on. So if we cancel that, you can go back to File, Import, and then you can also link your Revit file or an FBX file or an AutoCAD file as well. So how to export a file, so same thing, go up to File, Export, and click the first option here. That will bring up all of the available formats that you can export your file into. So again, the most common ones would be FBX, 3ds, DWG, and so on. Cancel that. You'll notice or you'll recognize this project from the previous tutorial. I've just added a few materials onto the objects though, and that's so when we package a file, all of the textures and bitmaps and such will be included in the package. So there's a couple of different ways of how to package a file. The first one, you can go up to File, Archive. That'll bring up a window where you can select a folder that you want to save your file into. So here it's got it as a zip file, so you can save it there, or alternatively you can go to your creation panel, click Utilities, click More, and then scroll down till you find Resource Collector, click OK, and then here you can browse the output path that you want to save your file into. So again, it's just gone into my archives here. Use path, and then go down to the resource options. So it's got automatically ticked all of the textures and things, so we'll keep that. If you want to include the whole 3ds Max file, you can by clicking that, and then you can also compress your file into a zip file. So let's just give that a go as well. And then you click Begin, and that shouldn't take too long. So if we find the file location, here you can see that all of these files are the bitmaps and photometric files that are included in all of the material and such. This one here is the max file that we've ticked here, the middle one, and then this is the compressed file, the zip file. So if we open that, that's got all of those materials and things as well. It's just making it a bit easier to share when it's in a zip file. And that's it for this tutorial.